bad to bad, guys. For my first time, I love the experience. I appreciate everything, and I just want to say thank you guys for the support. So this is how the cookout went. So first I start off by going to the supermarket, and if you know, you know, you have to go to the supermarket to get everything you need. Then Saturday morning bright and early, me get up 6 o'clock. I start make my meals them cause I want everything fresh and nice. So make the creamy mashed potato. Also made some lemongrass glaze. I also pop the pork chops into the oven because those were already seasoned from the night before. Then I made the sauce. That's the spicy honey barbecue lemongrass glaze sauce, and I served the meal with some ripe plantain. We also had some creamy chicken alfredo pasta, and guys, this is a sneak peek